I just bought this property all cash, and I'm gonna make $40,000 on this flip with no work at all. Let's check it out. Whoa. Before we go any further in this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Hey guys, how's it going? Zach in here. We are with Rick today, and this is the second episode of the real estate vlog. Right now we are driving towards a wholesale deal that we just recently purchased. Closing was yesterday, and we're just ready to buy this property. So Rick's holding the camera right now. Say hi.
What's up, guys?
So usually Rick doesn't go to these, but he's going a little crazy with the quarantine at home. That he had some free time, so we want to go check it out. We love real estate. We just want to go see it. So basically, all I'm going to do here is the property needs no work, nothing. So technically, it's a wholesale. Technically not. Again, wholetailing is basically the art of purchasing a property all cash and then putting about anything less than $3,000 into the house, and then putting it back on the market where you get the best buyers possible who are going to live in the house, and you make the maximum profit possible. And our average wholesale deal is around $35,000 versus the wholesale, which is about 20 to 25. Again, we're in Port St. Lucie. Your markets could be different. So we're in beautiful Port St. Lucie right here, driving to the house. So the property really doesn't need any work at all, which is really nice for us. So what we did is we purchased the property for $150,000. Right here is the HUD showing you that we actually bought this property. Again, I love showing you guys the numbers. So we bought the property for about $150,000. Again, we're projecting about a $30,000 to $40,000 profit on this one. Again, I think it's $40,000. Rick's telling me it's 30. We're gonna see who wins on this one. But just a difference of opinions on it, depending on how much they can get purchased for. But you know, we'll see. So we're documenting the journey. So you're gonna see with us like how much money we're gonna make on this. So technically it's a flip, technically it's not, but whatever here, guys. So we're gonna purchase the property, $150,000. What I'm gonna do is go to the property with Rick. We're gonna go check it out, see it. And what we're gonna do is just, you know, sweep it up, maybe spend 15 minutes sweeping it up, and we're going to take pictures, and then we're just going to put it on the MLS. And if you know what the MLS is the multiple listing service. That's basically the big service that all the realtors use to list the property. We're going to list that property on the market, and we're probably going to list it for how much are we going to list it for?
Like 200.
Yeah, so again, $200,000 is the price for you. But you know, we're in real estate, so you got to make everything sexy. So it's gonna be $199,999, and that will really entice him, taking that dollar off. But so if you do that, I mean, you could think that's like a $45,000 profit. Again, we're assuming that someone's gonna do a little less than that, but I mean, we're actually filming this August 7th. So I mean, you know, Port St. Lucie on August 7th. I mean, real estate is as hot as ever, even with this coronavirus. So we might get a full offer, and I might beat Rick to our bet there on how much money we're making on this deal. So
he ain't gonna do it.
So he's saying 30, 35. I'm saying 40. So anything over, we'll see if we win on that one. But yeah, let's drive to the house. All right, guys, we are here at the property. It's a nice, some cool features on it. This was actually on the first vlog where I showed you the property, but now I'm here. There's no seller here freaking out that I'm having it. So it's freshly painted from the seller. It's nice. We got some nice decorative brick here, so should look pretty good. So let's go inside. Let me show you a little bit about the property. Nice little frog over here, but geez, man, it is getting hot here in Florida. This is like HGTV. Let's go. All right, let's get some natural lighting. Make it look good. Natural lighting up in here. Cool, man. Yeah, I mean, all it needs real here is, so we've got the natural lighting in, so obviously you've seen what the difference it looks like when you have a natural lighting situation coming in and out here. We're just going to do a quick sweep of this and just take some pictures. So let's show you around some of the cool parts of our property. So right here, we have a nice security system. Looks a little creepy, but as you can see here, you can go around and see everything. So pretty cool, it's hardwired, so that's nice. Got the garage door stuff here. This is the kitchen. I mean, if I was going to do like a mega flip here, I mean, we can just change everything out here and put the nice granite here. But I mean, I'm not here for flipping. I mean, if I put the $20,000-$30,000 into it, I'll probably only make an extra 5 to 10 grand for 2 months worth of work, and it's just not worth it for me. My time is better spent actually talking to sellers, getting deals here. But yeah, this was 100% worth the text. I mean, guys, this was an amazing deal I had from the seller. If you want to know a little bit about backstory about the property, the guy actually I texted the dude. He said he wasn't really too much interested in the property. And I said, well, you had some interest. Can I go by and see the property with you? And he said yes, reluctantly. And I went through, talked to him, built that good rapport with him. And I ended up, he was at 180 grand at the property, and I was at 140. And he just couldn't see anything. And I gave him an ultimatum at 150. Said, hey, at 150, that's my bottom line price. Are you going to take this now or not? And he said no. Walked out, basically kind of threw him on the follow-up, and he called me frantically because something in his life happened, and I was the only person that came by this property, that he was like, you know what, I'm done. Like, I can't deal with this anymore. I gotta get out. He was a little freaked out over the COVID thing. He got a new job change. So he just sold it for 150. Didn't want people parading through the house with COVID, getting him and his family sick. So he sold it. He's extremely happy. Quick tip for you guys here is once you're closing at a property, now we're doing these virtually, we're doing virtual closings, just why risk it, right? So I actually came by here for the walkthrough with the guy, and here's the thing. I'm 20 years old. Most sellers, when they see me first glance, they say, why is this young kid around here? Why is he doing all this? He's not gonna buy my house, he's too young. Guys, get testimonials and send those testimonials to the sellers via email, text, just put it on your website. Even let's say you got a carrot site, just do it, man. So basically what you gotta do is just get a testimonial, especially when you're young. I don't care if you're 60 years old, get these testimonials. So the guy was so ecstatic. He was really glad that I provided the solution to him. And I made the testimonial up front here. So here's the testimonial. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Zach here with Treasure Coast Homebuyers. I'm here with Bill. Just purchased this property all cash right here. How is it like working with me and Treasure Coast Homebuyers?
There's no problem. Everything went fine. Everything nice and smooth. Does what he says he's gonna do. Everything's good. I'll shake your hand. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And did I leave a $3,000 deposit on this property?
Yes, you did.
And did I purchase this property all cash, no games, anything like that?
Yes, you did.
And how is it like working with Kellyanne and Liberty Title Company?
They're good too. No problems.
Awesome. You hear it here, guys. That's Bill. Just recently bought this property all cash. If you need any help with your property, please give me a call. Thank you. Hello, guys. So just a quick look here. So you can always flip this out here. I mean, this isn't an ugly house. We don't always buy ugly houses, guys. I mean, this is actually a pretty decent house. I mean, we're gonna make 40 grand on this one.
30.
Okay, so we'll see. So this is the master. I mean, it just needs a good sweep, nice cleaning here. Actually, the best part of the property here is, I mean, the guy had a vanity here. Looks pretty good. Decent plumbing on it. He had 2 closets in here, and then check the bathroom out here. So when you guys are looking at properties, a quick tip here is when you look in here, you gotta get like all of the tchotchkes out of here. So there was like a purple, like a reef fish thing in here. I took the drapes off of that, looked terrible. Again, there's nothing I can really do about this. I mean, this thing's from 1984, 1990s.
So Zach, what's your total rehab time going to be on this property?
I mean, It's going to be on the market tomorrow, so I guess the cost of the room would be the real cost of everything. I'm going to show you something we're going to do. We're probably going to end up spending like $300 on this, and I'll show you why. There's some knickknacks here. Again, when you see things like this on laminate, it looks like water got into it, and I'm not really going to, if I did the $30,000 flip. So you got the bathroom here. Nothing too crazy. You got this room here. So the real cost we're going to do here is we're just going to change this disgusting like turquoise, almost Miami Dolphins color green, and we're just going to paint that the nice tan here. Nice little tiny bedroom here, and then. So Rick, what are your thoughts on this property?
I think it's actually it's a decent property. Just sell it as fast as you can. And the key is here, they don't always have to be ugly houses. So this house, for the most part, is completely sound. They've done the painting, they've done the heavy lifting, so we'll spend like an hour or two just cleaning it up, put it on the market, and the key is to take the first real buyer that makes a good offer and churn it. Our goal is to turn this thing 30 to 45 days max. So, and we always sell it as is, and we let our buyers know that. So guys, they don't always have to be a dump. Actually, a majority of our houses are in really, really good shape. This house is in excellent shape. So this is just a simple wholesale deal. And we actually make more money doing the wholesale than we do the fix and flip because we can do more volume.
So here's the nice, we call it here, basically, there's like a sunroom, technically a Florida room is what they call it here in Florida. So it's nice. People really like this stuff, sort of like a patio. Again, I didn't sell any cigarettes here, but I see a marble thing. Maybe a homeless man's in here, but basically you usually just pressure wash this in here. Another cigarette right there.
Yeah.
I still no nicotine anywhere. So it looks pretty good here, and let's check the exterior. We can patch this up real quick. And so we got some dead grass here from the boat house here, but overall the roof's in really good condition. Oh man, the mailbox. Home investors, you're too late, sucker. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe right now to get more